next few months, looking for those pieces that I lost. Cause we both said that we had enough, cause we messed up what we called love. Oh, what we called love. Oh. I used to be in love, it happened all the time. Smile from ear to ear, all love was so kind. But one day near, I tried to climb, and the cracks appeared, they always do, I find. But I stuck it out, I gave you everything I had, but it wasn't enough, I wasn't enough somehow. I gave you my heart, but you wanted more from me, so you took bit by bit, so I couldn't see. So many games we played, and I'm still amazed that you made me doubt everything I believe. But it's over now, and I can finally breathe. I wish you were the happiness that you seek. Yeah, 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 the happiness you seek. Oh, oh. But I will spend the next few months looking for those pieces that I lost. Cause we both said that we had enough, cause we messed up what we call love. Oh, what we call love. Oh. When I think of you now, I can't help but to get down. The fool who couldn't see all the ways you were using me, and you beat me down so far that I nearly drowned. But with a little strength left in me, I could break free. It makes me feel ashamed when I think about all the games and how you'd always be one step ahead of me. Had no space to breathe or to be me, so I fell to my knees trying to fulfill your needs. But it's over now, and I can finally breathe. I wish you were the happiness that you seek. Yeah, 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 the happiness you seek. Oh, oh. So I will spend the next few months searching for the pieces that I lost. Cause we both said, oh, that we had enough, cause we messed up what we call love. Oh, what we call love.